What's good, my peeps? It's market update time. 5 days ago, I gave you lot 4 coins to look out for. I gave you lot the safest entries, and I explained to you lot my thinking process and why it was a good opportunity to get into those coins. And what I like to do is, once I give you lot coins to look out for, I like to go back to see if I was right and if I was wrong, and so on. And let's jump straight into the market. Okay, we're gonna start off with Jasmine first because obviously that done the best thing, right? So cool. Jasmine, boom, pumped. 31% from the call out. That was a nice trade. The other trade I said be on the lookout for, and the trade that I was going to trade is Fartcoin. That was on the 6th of January. I said Fartcoin needs to break this white line. This white line's heavy resistance, yeah? Once this white line gets broken and comes back, use it as support, then Fartcoin's going to run. And it's going to run. It's going to be a nice run. Look at that. Just like what Jasmine done. Jasmine was on a downtrend. It broke the downtrend and it pumped. I believe Fartcoin's going to do the exact same thing. As you can see, from the 13th of October all the way up to now, this is still the major resistance line. This is on the daily as well. So this is like, it's a very strong resistance line. You don't get any better resistance than this. Sellers don't want it to go above this line. And obviously, for the buyers to win, it needs to go above this line. This is a trade that I'm waiting for. Once I enter this trade, I honestly believe I'll make some serious gains, yeah? So nothing's changed so far. Like I told everyone, don't enter down here. You can even short it down here, but I'm not entertaining the short right now. Like, that's not. I'm waiting for the bigger picture, which would be the long. And obviously, if the long doesn't happen and we start breaking this yellow line that's right here, then I'll start thinking about shorting it. But until then, I'm waiting on this one. It might turn to a swing trade. It might turn to whatever, but I'm waiting on this one, yeah? The next coin that I gave out was Sui. That's what it was. Sui, same thing. Nothing's happened. I said in this video right here, like, if you should go and check it out if you haven't seen it, because it'll save you a lot of money. Like, the way I trade, like, it will save you a lot of money. Same thing. Sui, on the 6th of January, I said, listen, even though it broke that, as you can see, look, Sui tricked a lot of people. It broke it, but we didn't have a candle close above this resistance area. And the plan stays the same. Come back, break, come back, retest, then off we go. And all these red lines, they are targets. There'll be targets where I'll be selling. So, like, nothing's changed with Sui. And the other one was AVAX, and I believe AVAX the same thing. Now, in my video, I said this is resistance. This right here is resistance. This white line. But obviously, I was looking at AVAX the other day, and then potentially, if it does come into this green box, this is my buy box. I'll enter AVAX around here. And hopefully I'll wait for it to do something like this, come down, higher low, double bottom, W pattern, whatever you want to call it. This is where I'll enter. But before, my entry would have been up here. Obviously, if you've seen the video, I've done something like this. It needs to break, retest, then start doing shit like this. That's my best hope for AVAX, yeah? Yeah. So nothing's really changed here. So if you listen to the call that I made and you took action, you would have been up on Jasmine 33%, and the Fartcoin trade and the AVAX trade and the Sui trade, you would have stayed away from them because they wasn't ready. Like, my signal was it needed to break that heavy resistance, come back, use it as support, and then boom, we can go to the moon, the star, different galaxy, whatever you want to call it, yeah? And then the other day I made a video about Sui. But let's get into this video quickly because it's really important because I talk about Bitcoin in this video. So let's just jump straight into it. This Bitcoin don't break 89,300, I think we're all right. All right, cool. So basically, I said as long as Bitcoin doesn't break 89,300. So I done that video about what, on the 7th, like a couple of days ago. Let's just check it out. 3 days ago. As you can see, the video was made 3 days ago, yeah? Bitcoin. Let's go on the daily. So look how important these lines are. I don't make them up. Like, I don't just randomly be like, let me put a line here. I said, as long as Bitcoin don't break 89,000, yeah? 300. Did I say 300? Or did I say 400? I just, even though it's $100, that don't make no difference, yeah? But anyways, look how Bitcoin reacted at that spot. I said, as long as it doesn't break it, let's just turn it different color so y'all can see. Let's turn it what? Can you not see that? Is that better to see? Zoom in. Look, when the price came down to over here, I said, as long as it don't break that, I'm not worried. Look what the buy is done. That's why in trading, you need to understand where the key levels are, and it will save you a lot of money. Yeah, it will save you like a lot of money. Like, it took me a long time to understand this, but once I got it, like, happy days. Can't complain. But yeah, so this would be the market update. Those three coins, AVAX, SUI, and Fartcoin, they're not ready yet. If you want to enter them, I advise you to look at my videos and just make sure you understand where the heavy resistance are, so you're not longing where everyone else is shorting. Like, that don't make no sense. And what have I been doing? I've been going live. So on my lives, this is a new thing I've been doing now. I've only done 3 sessions. And yes, it's going all right. So in this live right here that I done a day ago, um, so first trade I done was Fartcoin. I made a 50% gain on it. And then the second trade, I traded Fartcoin again, and I lost $200. And then before I ended the live, I said, the next coin I'm going to be interested in for long is Engine. And if you don't follow me on X, you should follow me on X, because that's where I post rapidly, daily. I can post on X whenever I want because I've got my phone on me constant. I've always had my phone on me. So whenever something happens, I'll just post on X. So if you don't follow me on X, I strongly advise you to go and follow me on X. Anyways, boom. Like I said, Engine would have been the next. I said this on the live trade. Engine would have been the next trade. Boom, we talked about Engine in my live stream. Easy money. This was easy money. Like, look at the entry. Entry sold. Easy. Like, you can't, it doesn't get easier than that. Right? Fartcoin. This is what I normally stream on London sessions. So boom, 55%. Easy. Breakfast took that. But yeah. Yeah, man. I'm just bear with me. I'm trying to take this YouTube thing very seriously. I'm trying to give you like the best setups, and I'm showing you my thinking pro. More importantly, let me tell you something that's more important than me giving you this Jasmine setup, me giving you all of these setups and giving you this Bitcoin update, yeah? I'm not just telling you. I'm showing you how I'm coming up with these numbers, with these resistance, with these key levels, with these pivot points. There's a reason why I'm showing you this, yeah? It's because, so one day, or whenever you decide to stop being lazy, or whenever you've got time, you can do what I do. And you don't need to pay for no course. You don't need to do none of that shit. Like, you can literally be like, watch my videos, understand the way I trade, understand my thinking process, and then you can do your own thing. And then once you learn how I do my thing, you can put your own little spin to it, and then you can have your thing. Like, but obviously, and if you're lazy and you're saying, fuck that, I ain't got time for that, then you're good. But all you have to do is just see where the signals are, copy them, make your money, bounce. But yeah, man, either way, you're nice. But I advise you to take the first route. Like, just learn how I trade, and then you teach yourself, and then boom. Just all you have to do is keep watching my videos, and you're gonna learn how to trade. Like, I am purposely showing you everything, like my whole thinking process, just so one day you could be like, I can do this, and then you start doing it. Yeah, that was just a quick recap of the past 5 days, 6 days, and just the kind of stuff that we're going to be doing here now. Like, I'm not just going to be giving you like these call outs, these sales, these buy signals, sell signals, and then whether they go right or wrong, we're just going to forget about it. So if I give you like these signals, the plan is in a week's time, we're gonna come back and we're gonna see whether we won or whether we've lost. And if we lose, it's not really an L because we're gonna get all the lessons from it. Why did this trade go wrong? What was wrong with our thinking process? And be like, oh shit, that's what happened. All right, cool, I'm gonna fix this. Da, da, da. And if we win, same way, like, why did we win? Yeah, da, 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 celebrate on to the next one. But yeah, man. I hope you lot like all of these content. You lot know what to do, man. Like, subscribe. I'll hit you lot with some more.